In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for new hire onboarding. Clickup is a fantastic tool for managing tasks and projects, and today we're specifically focusing on its use in streamlining the onboarding process for new employees. So, whether you're a manager looking to organize your team's task or an HR professional wanting to ensure a smooth onboarding experience, this guide is just for you. First things first, let's head over to Clickup's website, which is your go-to platform for managing all things work-related. Once you're on the site, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page where you have several options to access your account, including signing in with Google, which is what we'll use in this tutorial. Click on Sign in with Google. This method is not only quick but also ensures that you can easily integrate your Google account to streamline tasks and communications. Now you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use. Choose the account that you have associated with Clickup and you'll be logged into the Clickup dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see a 3 dots menu. Click on that. This drop down menu gives you access to a variety of options. For our purposes, you need to select templates from this list. This option is crucial as it allows you to utilize pre-designed workflows that fit perfectly with your onboarding needs. Now click on Browse Templates. This will open a new panel where you can search through various templates suitable for different functions. Type New Hire into the search bar. This action filters templates to show only those specifically designed for onboarding new employees. Once you find the New Hire onboarding template, go ahead and click on it. This is a specially curated template made just for setting up your new hires, ensuring nothing is missed during their first days. Next, click on Use Template. You can then personalize it by naming your template something specific, especially if you plan to use it repeatedly. After naming your template, click again on Use Template to apply it. This step integrates the template into your workspace, making it readily available for current or future use. Now that your template is set up, click on New Hire to get started with adding tasks. For optimal efficiency, you'll want to focus on everything that needs to be accomplished before day one. So click on Before Day 1 to outline all pre-start essentials. Here you can list tasks such as setting up email addresses, preparing welcome kits, or scheduling orientation sessions. To add a new task, simply click on Add Task. This feature allows you to input specific tasks that need completion, complete with details like deadlines and assignees. By the end of this process, you'll have a comprehensive onboarding plan that ensures each new hire feels welcomed and prepared to start their journey with your company. With Clickup, managing onboarding tasks becomes a structured and straightforward process. Happy onboarding,